All right, guys, welcome to another video. So today we are going to, on camera, try to do this where you can actually see, but we're going to swap the Alien Gear Photon holster from an inside the waistband to an outside the waistband. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC items, you have definitely come to the right channel. Take the first step, click subscribe, okay? Yeah. Anyway, I was gonna go backwards, but the sun is just beating down on me. But anyway, we're gonna try to do this on camera. We're gonna try this. If it doesn't work, then I'll do another one. Let me know in the comments if I show enough, if I don't show enough on how to do this, and I'll do another one inside where you can see it better. But we're gonna try to take this from an inside the waistband to the outside the waistband platform. This is the Alien Gear Photon holster, completely ambidextrous, inside the waistband, outside the waistband capabilities. Yeah, it comes with everything in this one nice little package. You don't have to buy anything extra. So let's see what we can do. We're gonna try to do this outside. I don't know if we're gonna be able to, but we're gonna try. So we've got our little baggie of tools. This is our paddle. All right, so let's put that there. And so we've got this set up with the inside the waistband, and then on this side, it's just an accessory that covers up some holes. So this is the side that I need to put the paddle on. So we're gonna use the Gerber shard to pop this off. So basically, I've never done this, so we're gonna learn together, but I know how it went in. So it should just, yep. So all I had to do was stick this under here and just kind of pry up and it pops off. There's that. Let's try to keep everything nice and neat so we don't lose anything out here. So now, put that back in our pocket. And let's find our little Allen wrench. So I did a review. I did a first impression of this holster. And then I set it up for inside the waistband because that was really what I wanted this holster for, was inside the waistband. So I carried it for a couple weeks, did a review of it, and I've been meaning to get around to doing this, changing over. I just have not. I've been slacking, I know. So, so I figured why not try to do it on camera. But this is the Photon. It comes, like I said already, it comes with 2 different inside the waistband clips. It comes with a paddle, completely ambidextrous. I'll show you in just a second. But it comes with your Allen wrench and extra screws. So we're just gonna take these screws out here and take this clip off and hopefully not drop any screws in the leaves. So this is normally a task I would rather do inside, but it was so nice out here today, I figured why not do it outside. So there it is, our clips is off. So this is ambidextrous because it is identical on both sides, all right? Identical holes, everything. So the question I'm gonna have is, which screws do I need? And how do I line this up? Because these holes are not all lining up. So I don't want to cant. This is your paddle. So you have a bunch of different holes here. You can see all those. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different holes on here. So I'm gonna go with the top one and the middle one, I guess. Let's see if these screws are actually long enough. That should be long enough. So it comes with a couple different size screws. I was unable to mount the claw when I had it set up as an inside the waistband because I think I was missing a screw or two. And that was kind of disheartening because I wanted to set up the claw. But anyway, it's pretty straightforward. You line up the holes that you want to use. I may do another video down the road showing how to adjust like the cant and stuff on it. But you have basically two pieces when it comes to the screws. You have a backer and you have the screw. So your backer goes inside the holster and then your screw goes on the clip. So now I want to see if my fingers are long enough to get to where that needs to go. All right, there we go. All right, so the way I have this set up with no cant, I'm only allowed to use 2 screws. So I'll show you in just a second. We're just tightening this down. There's really not a whole lot to see when it comes to putting a screw in. So let's get this. Okay. So the 2 screws, I used one here and one straight in the center up top. But I could cant this and use plenty of these other ones. And then now we can go back to this little decorative piece and cover up these outside holes. It's just got, if it'll focus, it's got a little lip on the top one and a little lip on the bottom one. And so that's just gonna click in here on the top, go in these 6 holes here, and then you just have to kind of pry up and push, if I can do it on camera, pry up and push down and click it. And there you go. So now when I'm wearing this on my hip outside the waistband, you don't see all these holes and it just says Photon on there. So there's that. It's even 2 screws. It's pretty solid. So I'm gonna wear this for a couple weeks, try it out, see what I think, and go from there. So let me know, have you ever used a holster from Alien Gear, and what did you think about it? Have you got the Photon? Did you find this video because you wanted to know how to swap the paddle out versus the inside the waistband clip? Let me know. I love to read comments. I love to respond. And yeah, so there you go. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned because in probably a couple weeks, we'll come back and do a review of this as an outside the waistband platform. So there you go. That's all I've got for today. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.